Did you ever want to cruise the beach, but the road was gone? Yeah, me too. We've had 6 major hurricanes in 7 years. Still better than snow if you ask me. But the fatigue is real. I've heard rumors that the road's open. I'll believe it when I see it. Let's take a ride. Hello, fellow travelers. Today we are cruising one of Florida's hidden gems, Manasota Key. I hope. Manasota Key is an 11-mile-long barrier island on Florida's Gulf Coast. The northern section is in Sarasota County, and the southern section is in Charlotte County. It offers a quieter, more secluded, old Florida vibe. A couple of years ago, disaster struck when hurricanes Helene and Milton hit, only 2 weeks apart. A massive section of the road was washed out, but I hear that it's back open. Manasota Key is only about 15 minutes from my studio. We'll be there in just a minute. We're crossing the mouth of the Myakka River. The river isn't very big until it gets to the Charlotte Harbor. Here it opens up to almost a mile wide. There are 800 homes on the island, only about 1,500 residents. Compared to Siesta Key's quartz sands and crowds, this is the secluded alternative. It's a great day to be on the bike. You know what BOAT stands for, don't you? Bust out another 1,000. We couldn't have picked a better day weather-wise. Almost a 0 chance of rain. Manasota Key is sandwiched between the Gulf and Lemon Bay. It's known for its laid-back lifestyle. There used to be an old bait shop on my right. Gone forever. Every hurricane leaves some scars. Two hurricanes hit this area 2 weeks apart in 2024. A massive section of Manasota Key Road washed out, but I hear that it's back open. To get on the island, you have to use one of 2 drawbridges. We'll use the southern one in Englewood. I know what you're thinking. What's so special about this road? Imagine this. You're riding along the beach. The water is a beautiful shade of turquoise. Leonard Skinner's thumping in the speakers in your helmet, and you look to your left and a pod of dolphins is jumping 100 yards from the beach. That's why this road is special. Welcome to Manasota Key. If you've ever been to Englewood Beach, you'll remember the artwork at this intersection. Since the south end is so close, we'll ride to the bottom and then we'll head north from there. Charlotte County's finest, keeping the island a safe place to play. The police in this neck of the woods are biker friendly. Backyards like that make me jealous. I think that I'll pick up a lottery ticket on the way home. The construction never ends. I noticed three things about the homes along the beach. Some were brand new or heavily refurbished. Some were sitting damaged and untouched. Some were not there anymore and the lots were for sale. Nobody got out of it untouched. Stump Pass Beach State Park is located on the south end of Manasota Key. It's Monday morning and it looks like about a dozen cars in line. Patience is a virtue, but it's a virtue that I don't have. I'll come back another time. Some people choose golf carts for transportation on the island. Chadwick Park in Englewood. The amenities include picnic areas, playgrounds, and a boardwalk. Free parking. The boardwalk offers a great place to fish or just take in the spectacular waterfront views.
I think that biker's looking at us.
What a dork.
I wonder what pelican tastes like.
He's looking at me, too.
Well, we're burning daylight. Let's keep moving. The few stores and restaurants on the island are located near the public beach. It's hard to believe that a pile of sand 4 stories tall covered this parking lot a year ago. All of it had to be sifted before it was removed. It's been in the 90s every day. That makes the beach a popular place. Can't have a beach without seagulls. No hidden messages here.
Can a guy get some sleep around here?
The next stop, Blind Pass Beach. Entering Sarasota County. Blind Pass Beach. I'll know in just a minute if my sources were correct. This is the condition of the road last summer. Very impressive. Half a mile of road removed and replaced in a year and a half. Blind Pass Beach is a popular nesting place for sea turtles. Nesting takes place between May and October. This added to the difficulty of rebuilding the road. Okay, the question was, what makes Manasota Key Road so special? See for yourself. Kayaking is a popular sport on Manasota Key. Don't worry if you don't own one, there are plenty available for rent. County officials are planning a more resilient long-term fix in 2029. Watch out for bicycles while here. There are no shoulders, so the entire road is considered a bike lane. This is the northern drawbridge connecting Manasota Key to the mainland. I normally ride a loop, but I haven't got enough of the fresh pavement yet. Let's make one more pass. The Manasota Beach Club since the 60s. Before that, Palm Ridge Lodge, nudist colony. It's a shame to see so many beautiful homes destroyed. There used to be thick vegetation blocking the view. I'm kind of glad that it's gone. If saltwater fishing is your thing, you've come to the right place. No matter what type of water sport that you enjoy, Manasota Key is a place for you. Have you ever hunted for shark teeth? Manasota Key is renowned for excellent shelling and shark teeth, especially after a storm. Several miles of the island has been designated a scenic canopy road. There are ordinances protecting the trees. Unfortunately, hurricanes don't follow the law. Nature has a way of coming back though. Hopefully it'll be sooner rather than later. Manasota Key proves Florida's coast is tough and beautiful. The road is open. Go ride it before the next storm. Let me know what your go-to ride is. Like and subscribe for more motorcycle adventures. Safe rides, everyone. See you on the next ride. Been there, done that. Got the video. See you next time.